The "this almost full" function is a warning from macOS that your storage is running low and requires immediate action. If this warning is ignored, it will continue to appear whenever you browse, watch movies, open presentation slides, and so on. You can stop the notification by deleting unneeded files, moving them to external storage, or optimizing storage with iCloud. However, if you don't want to do any of those three things and just want the notification to stop, this tutorial will show you how. Check it out. First, look at the menu bar and click on the three types icon in the upper right corner of the screen. After the window appears, click the gear icon at the bottom to open the notification window. You can also find the notification menu by accessing the launchpad, then clicking the System Preferences icon. If this screen appears, click this icon to display the complete system preferences. Look for the notification icon. You can type it in the search bar to find it immediately, and it will be highlighted. If a screen like this appears, look for the Turn on Do Not Disturb section. Check this box, then you can set the time. My Mac uses a 24-hour setting, so I disable notification from 10 p.m. to 6 p.m. Of course, you can set it so that notifications are disabled for 24 hours. Once you are done, close it. We can also add a few command lines through the terminal to maximize the effect. Please open the terminal. On my MacBook, the terminal is already in the dock. You can search for it by click Launchpad, then typing terminal in the search file, then press enter. Once the terminal is open, type this code. This code prevents this full warning notification from opening. Okay, done. Hopefully this tutorial is helpful. Subscribe for more tricks.